we are pulling the wiring for the 4-camera setup that we're setting up for this home. Owner just installed this siding, so we did not want to start drilling in this new siding, so we're using some 3M wire clips that are working out very well with the siding. They're black on black, soffit, hides everything really well, so it's a very nice product that we're happy with. We are setting up, this is actually a BNC system. You know, the big thing now is PoE, which is has its own benefits. You know, one of the benefits with BNC or coax, which a lot of places like to call them, is the price. So they're a lot cheaper than the PoE counterpart. So this owner had purchased the camera system already, gave us a call about installation, and you know, we're up to the task. So we're running this BNC wire now, and shortly we'll be hooking everything up and getting everything going.